Okay, let's look at what New Zealand CHF, New Zealand CAD, New Zealand JPY, and New Zealand USD. Let's look at what we can get for the market when the market fully open. The market's already open, as you can see. When the market open fully on the 30th of June, being Tuesday, 2026. Now, if you look at the chart, you find out that our previous analysis is still in play, still fully in play, though I was expecting a deeper retracement, but the markets broke and did a good level of retracement. So what I'll be expecting for this day is to wait for the market to break this level, so I can take a, a short trade, break and retest the level so I can take a short trade. But if the market do a deeper retracement to around this level, I'm still looking for a selling opportunity. Okay. Now, if you want to buy this pair, this is the safest place you can buy this pair because this is a downtrend and the momentum to the downside is very high. So if you want to buy this pair, the only time you should be thinking about buying this pair is if the market break out of this structure, retest the structure, then you can take a buy trade. So for this pair, this will be my trading setup. Now the market has already broken out from this trend line, but for confirmation's sake, I will wait for the market to break out of this structure, give me a good level of retracement, then I can take a short trade. Or if the market do a deeper retracement, if I see a bearish confirmation around this level, I can also take a short trade. But mind you, the only time you should be thinking about buying this pair is if the market break out from this structure, gives you a good price action retracement. Then if you see a bullish engulfing candle, then you can take a buy trade. So that is my setup for this pair. Let's look at the next one. Okay, now if you look at this pair, uh, the market is actually doing similar thing uh, like the previous pair. But what can we do to this pair? This is a downtrend. As you can see, the market retested this level, do a push down, and is retesting the level the second time. Now, what should I be looking for? I should be looking for buying opportunity at this level, around this level. But sorry, looking for selling opportunity around this level, then I can only look for buying opportunity if the markets break out from this level. Now you don't have business with buying this pair unless the market break out from this level, then you can look for buying opportunity. Okay. Now around this level, only look for selling opportunity. So what should I be looking for? I should be looking for some level of break of structure and bearish engulfing candle for confirmation. So that is when I can actually take a trade. So the market can retrace down, to this level, Yes, even if it retrace down, you can still take a sell trade. Okay, so this is a sell market, but it's giving a sign of reversal. It's giving a sign of reversal, but even if that reversal is true, you have business with buying this pair only at this level, break of this structure, retest, then you can take a buy trade. But other than that, please look for selling opportunity around this level. Okay, look for selling opportunity around this level. So you should be looking for a level of break of structure. I told us that we should trap the price between support and resistance and wait for the market to break out from that level. So currently, I'm not really seeing much in the market. I'm still seeing that this market might still do some deeper retracements. So I should not be looking for entry at this level because I may be stopped at. So, but if the market do a deeper retracement, then I can actually consider taking a trade around this level. So that is our setup for this pair when the market fully open on the 30th of June 2026. And let's look at the next pair. Okay, so if you look at this pair, our setup for yesterday is still in play. Is still in play. Uh, Even though the market is giving us some kind of message that it's not ready to trend, it's not ready to move. But like I said, no matter what the market do, you follow the market. So this is our setup. If the market break out from this structure and you see a full price action retracement, then you can consider taking a buy trade. But if you break to the downside, you do similar thing. Okay, but I will not recommend you trade in between this level unless you are a scalper. But even as a scalper, I won't advise you trade in between this level because it is better to scalp when the market is trending. Okay, just imagine you were scalping at this level when the market was was trending downward. Just imagine you are scalping with the trend. You will have less losses. Okay, so that is why we should wait for the market to break out from this structure, do some good level of retracement, then we can take a buy trade, or break out from this structure, do some good level of retracement, then we can take a set trade. Okay, so this setup is still very, very valid. So let's go to the next pair. Now, this setup is also valid. It's a similar setup to the previous pair. So we are actually waiting for the market to break out from this level. Now, if the market does that, look for a good level of retracement and then look for candlestick confirmation before you enter into the trade. Okay, so this setup is still very, very valid. The market didn't do much this day on the 29th. So let's hope that by the market opening fully the next few hours, that is the 30th day of June, let's hope that the market will do some movement. Okay, so if the market break out either direction, whether to the upside or to the downside, just watch out for a deeper, a good retracement. Then you look for a candlestick for confirmation. Then you can take a trade and target the next zone. Okay, so these are my setup for these four pairs. So I want you to do your own analysis and let's see what the market will do when it opens fully. And also, I want to recommend that you subscribe to this channel so that you can get my daily analysis before the market fully open for the day. So you can get the analysis and also you can you can merge it with your own analysis and come up with a far better trading setup. Okay. All right. So please do well to subscribe and also know that this video is for educational purpose only. Take care. See you in the next pair. Bye.